Hello friends, today we are going to take up a new topic known as palindromes. Can you see a number here 121? Can you see something special in this number? The boy here is replying the question asked by me. He is telling what? It's just a number. Perhaps some of you may also have answered the same. But no, somebody might have seen something new as this person is replying. What he says? See, it's the same forward as well as backward. See here 1 to 1, and from the backward also when you read it's 1 and the same, that is 1 to 1. Oh yes. So what is this? This is a palindromic number. So what is a palindrome? It's not that it comes only in numbers. It is, or palindromes you may find, they may be words, sentences, numbers, it can be phrases, etc. that read the same forward as well as backward also. You just have to ignore capitalization, punctuation, and the word boundaries. Okay? Do you know, children, how the palindrome word has come? Palin, it means back, and dromos, it means direction. It means palindromes are the words, phrases, sentences, numbers, which you can read from forward to backward and backward to forward, same. Okay, now let's try it out. This answers to this palindromes where the clues are given to you. Now let's see the first one. The baby wears this when eating. What is it? It's known as? It's babe. Now read it from forward to backward and from backward to forward also. B-I-B, B-I-B. Okay. Now let's see the second one. A really fast car. What is it? It's known as? It's the race car. Okay. Now come to the third one. Another name for father. What is that? It's dad. Now read from forward to backward and backward to forward. You will be able to see that it's one and the same. Now let's see the fourth question. Bubble do this. Let's see the another clue also. It's a type of music. What is that? It's pop music. You know that. Okay. Bubbles pop. Now let's see the another one. Period of time immediately before an event or occasion. What is it known as? Eve. Right? Now come to the next question. A short word for sister. What is that? It's sis. Now next one. A train makes this sound. What is this sound it makes? That is toot. Read from here and from here to here. T-O-O-T, T-O-O-T. Now the next question is middle of the day. That is noon. So here N-O-O-N, N-O-O-N. Now come to the next question. Uniform or horizontal, or you can say it's quite flat. So these are the two clues given here for which you have the palindrome level. Okay, L-E-V-E-L, L-E-V-E-L. Now what is the another name for mother? It's mom. And mom is just wow. Okay, the exclamation. W-O-W-W-O-W. Now the next one, that is a very young child. What is it? That is tot. Tiny tots, you say that. Right? Let's see the another question. A climbing plant. What is it known as? Siris. Siris. Now the next one, a part of face with which you see. So what is that? Eye. Eye. Now look quickly or secretly. What is the palindrome for that? Peep. P. Now, let's see the another question. A locating device. You might be aware the method of tracking aeroplane. Okay, what is that device? That is radar. So, I will write here radar. Now, come to the next question. That is a light canoe or its boat. So, what is that known as? Kayak. Kayak. Now the next one here is an Indian language. The palindrome for that is Malayalam. Now spell it out. Malayalam. Malayalam. Now a principle, that is tenet. Okay, Tenet. Now the next question goes here, narratives or heroic deeds, that is known as sagas. Right? Now come to the next one, that is a weight on a pendulum. What is that? A bob. Now read from front to back and back to front. It is one and the same. Now the next question goes here, feat or action. What is that? It's deed. Karmanye vadikaraste. You know that. Deed. D-E-E-D. Now the next question goes here, a word of exclamation. That is wow. W-O-W-W-O-W. The next one here, it's a moving or machine part. Okay, moving machine part. What is that? Rotor. R-O-T-O-R. Now, to attribute to, that is known as refer. Now, see the next question here, relating to cities. That is here civic. You know that we talk about civic sense, right? A female sheep is known as Eve. E-W-E. How do you address a lady? That is madam. M-A-D-A-M. Madam. A female member of religious order. What we say? Nun. They are very respectable. Now see the next question here. I have given two clues here. A piece of cloth that is put in over a person's mouth to prevent him or her from speaking. And the other is, you can say that it's a device for keeping the patient's mouth shut or patient's mouth open during a dental or surgical operation. What is that? A gag. Okay, it's a piece of cloth. Just now we had a good brainstorming, okay, of palindromic names. Now we would add few more. See here, reviver. Read from both the sides, you will have the same spelling. R-E-V-I-V-E-R, R-E-V-I-V-E-R, reviver. What does it mean? To activate. Now one more, let me write it as defy. What does it mean? That is to worship like a god. Okay. Now one more, lemel. L-E-M-E-L. What is that? That is metal fillings. Now let me go with the next one. Say minim. Okay. What is that minim? That is the smallest unit of liquid to measure. Murdrum also you might have heard of. What is that? the killing of a human being in a secret manner. Now, repaper also you might have heard of. What is that? To apply new wallpaper. Okay, rotator in SS you might have heard of. What is that rotator? A thing which rotates. Now, you know solo performance. Okay, so plural of solo, that is solos. Just now we had a good brainstorming and we had seen palindromes. They were single words. Now here you will see the multiple palindrome, that is multiple words you will see. And from front to back or back to front when you read, it will be one and the same. As I said, you don't have to consider the punctuation, capitalization or something like that. Okay, so now let's try it out. Sagas refer deed, deed refer sagas. Okay, from both the sides you can check out the spellings. SAGAS, REFER, DEED from both the sides. It reads one and the same. Do geese see God? DO do, GEESE. Okay, do geese see God? A nut for a jar of tuna. Borrow or rob? BORROW or ROB, rob. Come to the next one. Was it a car or a cat I saw? Murder for a jar of red rum. Never odd, never odd or even. Stressed deserts. Rise to vote, sir. Read from both the sides. The spellings you will find one and the same. No lemons, no melon. Next one. Was it a rat I saw? Nurses run. I did. Did I? Now see this one. My gym. Okay. Now in Gujarati, read out this one. Jo chuniya nichu jo. Jo chuniya nichu jo. The next one is also in Gujarati. Limadi game gadi mali. Limadi game gadi mali. Similarly, you can find out the things in so many languages. You can always think on your own and find out the palindromes in your mother tongue. Palindromes in mathematics reveal interesting properties of number. You can see here palindromic sequence date is given. In 2020 we had it 2nd February 2020. So it's written as 0202-2020. Now read from back to front. 0202-2020. The previous year we had 9th October 2019. So 9/10/2019. The next year, the next palindromic date is also written here. 12/12/21/21. 12/12/21/21. It's not like that. In between there are no palindromic date. Palindromic sequential date there are, and you may find out the same. Okay. Now let us see a look how to produce a palindromic number. You can take any number. I have written here 3-digit number. You may take or you may start with 2-digit number also, 4-digit number also. Any number, whatever the number you want to start, you may do so. Now, when the number is written in the first step, the same number you have to write it from back to front. That is, if this is 6 to 7, then the second number you have to write it as 7 to 6 and then add them. Now, once you get the sum of the number written, you need to check at this stage that does it read the same from both the ends. If so, the palindrome number you got. If not, still you have to go with the next step, and the same way you are going to proceed. That is, once you get this number, then this number is written from back to front. That is 1353. You have to add with 3531. So here you can see this number is written, and when you add them up, if you get the palindrome, then fine. If not, still you have to move with the same method. Okay, so we need more steps to get this special number called palindromes. There are some operations which produce palindromes. You can see here, when you multiply 1 into 11, you get 11. When you multiply 11 into 11, you get 121. When you check this number and read from both the ends, you will see that it is a palindromic number. 1 to 1, and from here also 1 to 1. Go for the next one, that is 111 into 11. It's again 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. So here you can complete the pattern. If this is for 3 times 1, you get 2 times 1, and the ends are 1. So here I can write 1, and the last one is also 1. Now see here, if this is 4 times 1, I get 3 times 2 here. So if this is, that is 1 less than that. So if this is 5 times 1, how many times 2 you will have it? That is, you will have it as 4 times 2. If you don't get the pattern, you can still do it manually, 1 or 2 step, and you will certainly get the pattern. Fine? Now see this question. Here this is 12 minus 1. So with subtraction operation, we are finding out the palindromes. So here 12 minus 1, it's 11. When 123 minus 12 I am doing, then this is 12. So this 12 is subtracted. So what I am having is 111, and read from both the ends, it's one and the same. Now when this is 1 2 3 4 minus 1 2 3, then I have 4 times 1, which is read from both the ends same. Similarly here also you can find it out, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and when this is subtracted 1 2 3 4 5, you get 6 times 1, right? Now check this, 1 into 9 plus 2, that is 1 nines are 9 plus 2 11, then 12 nines are 108 plus 3, that is 111, and you are getting palindromes. 123 into 9 plus 4, you get 1111, and so on. They are all palindromic numbers, right? Now check this. This is 1 into 1 is 1. 11 into 11 is 121. When 3 times 1 is written and it's multiplied with the same number, you get 1 2 3 2 1. That is, if 3 times 1 is given, I need to go up to the number 3 and then move back. So here 1 2 3 and then 2 1. When it's 4 times 1 is multiplied with the same number, then you need to reach up to 4 and then go from 4 3 2 1. That is reverse counting you have to do. If suppose I am writing 6 times 1, 4 5 6, and it's multiplied with 6 times 1, then you need to go up to 6, 3 4 5 6, and then go from back to front, that is 6 is already there, 5 4 3 2 and 1, right? Now study this pattern. Here 37 into 3 into 1, you get 3 times 1, okay, and read from back to front, it's also one and the same. Now 37 into 3 into 3, these are all odd numbers. When this is 3, you get 3 for 3 times, and you can observe that this is one and the same. 37 into 3 remains there, but when this is 5, you get 3 times 5, this is 7, you get 3 times 7, and so on. And they are all palindromes. See one more pattern here. 2 into 11, that is 22. Now 22 into 11, you get 242. Okay. When 222 is multiplied with 11, you get 2442. So when you see the pattern, you can see that first and the last digit remains same, and in between 4s are given, right? So if this is 3 times 2, 1 less than that, that is 2 times 4 you need to write. When this is 4 times 2, you can see the pattern, that is 3 times, that is 1 less than this number. So 3 times 4 is given, and you get a beautiful pattern over here, and the numbers are palindromes. 24442, 24442. Now look at this pattern. These additions are also forming palindromes. See 1, 2, 1. They are added, you get 4, which is 2 square. When you go up to 3, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And you get the sum as 9, which is 3 square. Now see here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again it goes as 3, 2, 1. And the pattern, you can see that they are all squares. Okay, so here this is going up to 4, you get 4 square. When it goes up to 5 and then reverse order, you get 25, which is 5 square. Now see this beautiful poem where so many palindromes are woven. It's written by Gautam. You can see here so many palindromes are written. The pink font which you see here, they are all palindromes. The purpose of using palindromes in your writing, whether it is a word, whole sentence or numbers, it is to exercise your brain working within tight patterns, right? And to create something interesting and entertaining. So go ahead and have fun. You may share them with your friends also. Thank you.